Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. My name is GamerCat and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. And in today's episode, we are going to continue playing with our Murloc paladin. Trying to go up the ladder a little bit and trying to get a little bit closer to finishing our daily quest that we just got today. Roach boy. That's an interesting one.
Tirande.
Facing off against Tirande.
I will fight with honor.
Let's go ahead with it. I do have an early drop right here with our Murloc Tidehunter here. These 4s are a little bit of a pain to have in the hand right now, as is our 10 drop, but I think we can make do with it. Go ahead and get our 2 drop out there immediately. Represent an immediate threat right there. And he didn't respond at all. Interesting. Okay, now I don't even have to worry about bringing out my Silverhand recruit guy here. I'll just bring him out and use him to reinforce him. And then hit him for a bunch. 5, actually. There we go. The damage has been done. Take control. And use him to beat up on the Tidehunter. And then heal yourself. Just a little. Yeah. Not a problem. Well, let's go get our Tidehunter back. There you go. Heal yourself again. That's always kind of fun. Three, huh? Well, at this point, I've got enough to do this. Go ahead and knock him off. There we go. I want to control the board still and try to do as much face damage as possible. Hopefully he'll use a little bit in healing himself, although he hasn't really been doing that much. Sometimes it's better not to heal yourself and have that 2 points to cast a more powerful spell. But he needs to heal himself, he figures, at this point. And does nothing. Okay. This is getting a bit concerning. Or at least I'd be concerned if I were him. And do this. Get Murloc out there and convert our hero power to something that does even more damage, and start using it.
For justice.
And lots of face damage because there's nothing else to hit. Ooh! Ow! 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 Lots of owness. Okay, well, to recover. There we go. Let's start the recovery.
Once upon a time.
Oh, a dragon's in there somewhere. And I'll kill him. Okay. Ouch. And healing. Go ahead and kill this thing. Drawing us a card, which don't quite need that, but okay, fine. go ahead and hit him with a bolt and a tide crawler here. Try to keep the pressure. Oh, hello. Okay, that could be bad. A little bit, maybe. 2 damage to the dude. Sure, tide crawler. He dies horribly. Okay, go. Well, the good news is we're going to silence you right now. Bye-bye. Don't care about your evilness. And so do more damage to the face. Okay. That's fine. And healing. Oh, okay, so he played this earlier and it got shuffled into my deck, so now I've got it. Do 3 damage to him. Total of 5 damage to him as normal. It's all minions. So there's kill him before. And do some damage to both of them. There we go. And in turn 10, we'll be able to go ahead and summon some Murlocs again. Yes. We're going to take 8 here. Okay. Let's see what we get. Ooh. Well, that was kind of neat. Okay. Let's see what he does now. Of course, there is one big target that he probably... Yep, he's going to get it. Right there. You want to kill the Murloc Knight. Otherwise, he's just a big, huge source of irritation. Here's the thing. This allows me, because he's not attacking my, or he's attacking my forces. Oh, there he goes. He's trying to kill everything, which might very well work. Yep. Bam. I was just about to say that I could use my fighting force there to really do stuff, but not really. Let's try to get some stuff out there. There we go. Crap. I think he's got me. Yeah, he's got me. Actually, no, he doesn't.
For justice.
He's got me if I... There we go. I'll be down at 1. Now, that doesn't mean that he doesn't have me. It just means that I don't see it at the moment. But he probably does, because he just... Yeah. There we go. Nice! Neat tactic. That's the first time I've seen that one. So I take the loss. I probably could have played that a little bit better. I'm not sure. If you're sure, I did manage to get quite a few more paladin cards here. But if you're sure that I played that I could have played it better, let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.